everybody, welcome back to DollFace TV. I just filmed my eyebrow tutorial. Here it is right here, the eyebrows you all have been waiting for. You subscribe and like my video, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna get right into the video. I'm not gonna keep you guys long because who wants a long video on eyebrows? Nobody. So so we're gonna start with a fresh face, and the first product I'm going to be going in with is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow pomade. I love this pomade so much. And now the brushes I'm going to be using is a spoolie, an eyeliner brush, a concealer brush, and a kabuki brush. They're all by BH Cosmetics and Real Techniques. Here are my favorite concealers by Milani in Natural Sand and Deep Tan. Okay, so right here we're going to take that spoolie brush and we're going to brush out our eyebrow. Well, I'm going to brush out my eyebrow and make sure it's going in the same direction so I can outline my brows correctly when I go into the pomade. Okay, so here I'm going to take that pomade that I was just talking about and I'm going to go into it with my eyeliner brush. And I'm going to grab a decent amount. And I'm going to start at the bottom of my eyebrow and follow where my eyebrow naturally starts and ends. And then I'm going to go back into the pomade and do the top. So as I'm doing the top, I'm still going to follow my natural shape of my eyebrow, but if you see that I'm dragging it towards the corner so they connect. After I get them connected, I'm going to start filling it in. So right here, I'm still trying to get it to connect, and now I'm going to start filling it in. We want to keep going back into the pomade and grabbing just a generous amount. And now I'm going to do the other side and do the exact same thing on the other side. I would speed this part up, but I wanted you all to see how sometimes your eyebrows might not look the same on each. But that's okay, because they're not supposed to in the end of the day. But I wanted to show you how I do the other one as well. I really do the exact same thing, so I'm going to speed it up right here. Okay, so right here, I'm still going to be filling it in to make sure there's no gaps in between because I don't want any of my skin to show. And now I'm going to take that same spoolie brush and I'm going to blend the corners of my eyes into my eyebrows so it can look as natural as possible. Because girl, don't nobody want to see that box that y'all be seeing on some people, because that's ugly. We don't want that. So right here, I'm taking my favorite concealer by Milani. I got it at Walmart. I love this concealer because it doesn't dry out my skin. It's very easy to blend and it matches my skin tone. So I took some and put it on the back of my hand. So now I'm going to take that concealer brush and I'm going to coat both sides and make sure it's wet so it can be very flat. It needs to be flat. That's very, very important. So now I'm taking that concealer brush and I'm carving out the bottom of my eyebrow with the concealer. Oh, the concealer is in the shade Natural Sand. So this part is very, very important. This is where you want your eyebrow to be very, very neat. So to have more control, I lift my eyebrow up using my finger. I just take the top of my skin and lift it up. I got that technique from my favorite makeup artist in New York. Her name's Beauty by Melissa on Instagram. I saw one of her videos and I loved it, so I added it to my routine and I've done it ever since. So you see how it makes it so much neater, and I have a lot more control and a lot more space at the bottom. So here I'm just making sure it looks very, very nice, and now I'm going to get ready to blend it out soon. But first I'm going to take that other concealer. This one is in the Deep Tan, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to take some, put it on the back of my hand, and coat the brush, make sure it's wet. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the top part. Now this part, I try to get it as close to my skin tone as possible. Some people do this and some people don't. I like doing it because I feel like it makes my eyebrows more, it gives it the shape that I want. Some people don't do it because they want a more natural look, which I feel like this gives me more of a natural look too. But now I'm going to take a beauty blender. Right here I'm wetting it. You can't really see, but I'm taking my spray bottle and I'm wetting it to make sure it's damp. We don't want no dry beauty blender. So I'm going to blend. And this is very, very important too. You want to take your time with this so it can look natural. You don't want any patches. So I'm going to speed this part up too. So here I'm taking that small kabuki brush and I'm gonna keep blending, blend some more. I can't stress this enough how much blending you have to do to make it look natural. We don't have foundation on our skin, so you want it to look like you don't have any. Here I'm taking that same spoolie brush and I'm going to blend out the edges to make sure that part looks natural too. Taking that beauty blender, blending out some more. Alright, here is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed it and I will see you in my next video.